In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the solar auto drill in Once Human. So the first thing you have to do is open up your mematics. So I to open inventory and then go inside mematics. Now, once you click into mematics, this auto solar drill actually isn't available inside your usual mematics. You will have to find it under specializations, okay? So click up here on this kind of level up icon to where you can see mematic specializations. And then the second thing I have to tell you is that this isn't available until you are level 35. So you first have to be level 35. I'm currently at 28, so I'm not there yet. And then once you reach level 35 with your character, you'll be able to find it in here, okay, where it says locked, required level 35. Now, after you learn this solar drill schematic, take it to your intermediate supplies workbench and craft it using 40 tungsten ingots. So once you've done that, you want to craft it at the intermediate supplies workbench, which is this thing over here. You can also unlock via the mematic tree and then build inside the pressing B and then right click, and then you can find it over here, intermediate supplies workbench, under facilities and production processing. And yeah, place it down, open it up, and then once you have that schematic and you're level 35, you'll be able to craft your solar drill, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.